This 1.364 acre of land is directly off Highway 30 and is zoned light industrial. There are utilities and a 1960 teardown or fixer-upper 1,434 square foot home located on the property. This is an excellent location for a strip center, freestanding building, convenience store, or any business development. An apartment complex is to be built to the left of this property. Part of an estate, and was an investment property, so no seller disclosure. Sold as is. No VA or FHA. Prefer cash or conventional. No repairs will be made by the seller if needed. All info deemed reliable but, buyer and buyer's representative to verify all info and zoning.